5. New Jersey Transit Rail service will be temporarily suspended system-wide.
That was the warning playing at this Teterboro commuter rail station on Sunday night. Following this weekend's winter storm, transit agencies across the tri-state area are working around the clock to get riders moving again. In New Jersey, NJ Transit says crews are assessing storm impacts overnight, with a phased return to service planned for Monday. All three light rail lines, the Newark Light Rail, Hudson Bergen Light Rail, and River Line, are expected to operate on a regular weekday schedule at the start of service. However, bus, Access Link, and commuter rail service will remain limited earlier in the day, with a service gradually ramping up later Monday as road and rail conditions improve. In New York City, the MTA says subway service is expected to run a normal Monday morning rush hour schedule, though some express trains could operate local later in the day depending on conditions. Bus service is expected to run near normal, but with some detours still in place and articulated buses kept off the road. For commuter rail riders, Metro North will operate on an enhanced Sunday schedule, while the LIRR will run on a weekend schedule, meaning less frequent service than a typical weekday. And very important, both agencies are urging riders to use the phone, the app, and to check their website as well for real-time updates, as things might be fluid and may change and the service may go back to normal. So that's why you got to keep yourself updated online. Reporting live in Teterboro, Grace Gomez, Pix 11 News.